Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nadia Jovita with NIM 4111901064. Business Management Major and Managerial Accounting Study Program, Batam State Polytechnic. In this video, I will show you about the export of Indonesian agricultural commodities to Singapore using bar chart and pie chart. Next slide is table of content. First, introduction. The biggest contribution of Indonesia's agricultural commodity export. And the second is analysis. Difference between bar chart and pie chart. And the third is presentation. Bar chart and pie chart export of Indonesian agricultural commodities to Singapore. And the last conclusion. Benefits of bar chart and pie chart. Let's go to the first session. Introduction. The largest contribution to Indonesia's agricultural commodity export is plantation crops, such as cocoa, oil palm, tea, tobacco, coffee, cloves, followed by horticultural crops, food crops, and livestock. The second session is analysis. A bar chart is a chart that presents categorical data with rectangular bars of height or length proportional to the values they represent. A pie chart is a circle that is divided into several pieces and its area based on a numerical graph or quantity of the data held. The next slide is presentation, bar chart and pie chart. This is a bar chart. This bar chart provided information about export volume of Indonesian agricultural commodities to Singapore between 2016 and 2020. In 2016, the export volume to Singapore were almost 1,100,000 tons. Then, it decreased slightly 900,000 tons in 2017. However, the figure saw gradual decrease to 700,000 tons in 2018. In 2019, there were steadily increased to 860,000 tons. In 2020, hit a lowest point of export volume were 650,000 tons. Next, I will show you pie chart of export palm oil to Singapore. Palm oil is one of agriculture commodity. This pie chart shows the export volume of palm oil to Singapore over a period of 5 years, started from 2016 and 2020. Overall, 2016 was the highest export volume of palm oil to Singapore, while 2020 was the lowest export volume of palm oil to Singapore. In 2017, export palm oil to Singapore were 104,000 tons. In 2018, the export of palm oil increased to 110,000 tons, then gradual decrease to the 83,000 tons in 2019. At the end of period, the export volume of palm oil steadily decreased to 75,000 tons. With the pie chart, it is easier for us to understand. The next slide is benefits. Benefits of bar chart. First, make it easier for readers to see the existing information. And the second, easy to compare statistics. Next, benefits of pie chart. First, save space, because pie chart don't take up a lot of space. And the second, can directly show the comparison of each data size through the size of the sector. This is the end of my presentation. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.